doo doo. 107 years ago, Colin is a 4th grade student that needs intervention in the subject of reading. Because of this, he will be receiving services during class time from a reading specialist. Tommy's academic portfolio has been lost in school transfers in years before. So, Miss Smith, Tommy's homeroom teacher, has created an online portfolio using Google Sheets that allow educators to input student growth and progress, as well as create bar graphs to help make accurate comparisons. Ms. Smith is able to share this Google Sheet with Tommy's RTI specialist, which gives easy access to his parents and his RTI specialist to check in on the work he is doing, in the reading intervention time, and in the progress he is making with his overall growth.
The ITSE standards that are covered in the scenario are 4A, which is to dedicate planning time, to collaborate with colleagues, to create authentic learning experiences that leverage technology. The other standard is 4D, which is to demonstrate cultural competency when communicating with parents, students, and colleagues, and interact with them as co-collaborators in student learning.
So this is an example of what the Google Sheets would look like. So as you can see here, the student profile and information about the student would be on the left-hand side, as well as underneath are some tabs to see what reading journals that the student is going to be completing, as well as a yearly goal, as well as progress that is happening, how many minutes a student is going to be putting in, and how many hours per week. On the right-hand side, you will see a bar graph, which is an easier visual to be able to tell what the student's progress is going to look like over the school year. And you can see whether the student is going to be increasing in that subject that they are focusing in on, or maintaining the same level. This is another bar graph that would be shared with the RTI specialist and the educator. And so this is a bar graph made with multiple students, but you can customize a bar graph to only show one student's progress. And so as you can see, 500 pages is the goal, and it has a graph tracking how far along that the student will get in completing that. And this concludes our presentation.
Thanks for coming to our TED Talk.